In a video with characters, the character's actions are displayed on the timeline horizontally. Now, the character is performing a standing action. If you want the character to turn their body in the middle of the action, select the action, move the playhead to the desired point, and press the split button. Next, select the second part of the action and press the rotate button. You can rotate the character using the slider, or directly enter the degree of rotation. Adjust the length of the blending to create a smooth transition between the two actions. Press the play button to preview the animation. You will see the character rotate their body at the split point. Sometimes, you may want to insert a specific action or transition between the split position. For example, to add a simple bowing motion to a standing pose here. Again, select the action and move the playhead to the desired position. This time, press the Split as New Pose button. The action bar will then be divided into 3 parts, with the pose in the middle split at the point where your playhead is positioned. Select the new pose, and edit the offset to make the character bow. With blending, you can see a smooth transition as the character bow while standing.